Nestlé Purina Petcare is a major player in the pet food and pet care business in Europe.
Across Europe there are many different stakeholders involved. So we have many different markets, probably up to 20 markets, and that would involve probably upwards of 100 people. So the graphic chain itself is very complex and the approval process within that is also complex.
One of the complexity of our packaging range is that we have 35 brands, and we deal with the 3 printing techniques, but we also have to integrate the complexity of having multilingual packs. For some of our brands we can include up to 23 languages on a pack, which makes it very complex obviously.
One of the key challenges that we have is to ensure integrity on the brand and to make sure that we're consistent across every touch point and every time that a consumer touches our brand. So it's very important that we get this consistency, and Diadeis helped us to do that by providing consistent results across every single substrate, so across flexo, offset and gravure.
At the launch of the project, Diadeis has implemented a specific color management system for Nestlé Purina Europe. Basically, we ensure that all 40 printers working for Purina will be able to match the validated color proofs approved by marketing teams. To reinforce brand consistency, Nestlé Purina has decided to entrust Diadeis with not only reprofiled productions but also flexo plates productions for all flexo SKUs. We are able to produce both conventional and HD plates, and we are able to meet all the specificities of each printers in terms of polymer material or technical specifications.
So in flexo, and we do have quite a lot of packs which are done in flexo, we've really improved the quality of our printed packagings. Diadeis was offering us a system which is called Mediabox that we have been able to customize to our specific needs. So we've been working with Diadeis to make sure that it was adapted to really our needs, because we have a complex organization and we had very specific needs also in terms of how we wanted the flow of approvals to be managed.
Mediabox is composed of 3 main modules. The first one being Media Manager, the workflow tool, enable all the players to interact through the internet for all steps of the graphic chain. It also allows to get precise reporting statistics. The second module is Media Checked. It is a softproofing module. It allows to validate online all the designs or ask for corrections, amendments, etc. And the last module is Mediadeis, a digital asset library system where all the high-res production files are stored and accessible for the marketing teams or graphic chain managers at Nestlé Purina Europe.
It's useful because it provides us one central contact point and storage point for documents, and also one central point for approvals as well. So what we used to do is work via emails and spreadsheets, but on such a large scale that doesn't work for us anymore. We needed one central system and set of tools which allowed us to coordinate the approval across several different markets. I think the support that we received from Diadeis was fantastic. They conducted the training, and they put together the training modules and the documentation for the training, and provided a very good level of support in delivering the training, but also following up and making sure that the users had adequate information that they could refer back to after the training had finished and had taken place.
So the tools that we are using with Diadeis really make it very good for us, and it enabled us to optimize our time to market.